Hello friends and welcome to my channel. This is a quick project share of the cutest cards I created using stamps and dies from Brillian House. Brillian House is a store in AliExpress and I will leave the links below so you could check them out. Now I created these cute cards and I used alcohol markers. Now I have a confession to make. I've never used alcohol ink before. This was my first time. And I decided to buy a brand called Angry from Amazon. The reason why I picked them is because they were very affordable compared to the higher priced brands. And since I'm an amateur, I really don't know what I'm doing just yet. I have to learn more about coloring and technique and blending. But anyways, I'm just gonna have some fun because that's what crafting and hobbies are all about. So I hope you enjoyed this quick project share. Now these stamps are really cute. You could create a variety of cards with them and those dies cut perfectly. So you could check out their link below, and I'm also going to leave a link for the Angry, the alcohol inks that I used, in case you want to check those out too. I want to hear from you, so comment below. Do you use alcohol ink markers? Do you do coloring? Are you doing this wonderful trend? And also give this video a big like. Thank you for stopping by, and until next time, and God bless.